toast.
I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere you want. Drive down to the coast. There,
it's
can
on
you
your
see
side. There.
Can you see now? Libre na. Naog na lang to, baby. Look.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, the other, another baby, and another one.
Continue on E8 for 1 mile.
Huh?
There are people there. Look.
Hello, nagkuhan
What
sila
are they doing?
sa snow.
They're clearing the snow. Jubilant means happy, so happy. And so here downstairs we have our kitchen. Here we have a bedroom.
That's
This is our dining. We go upstairs. It's quite. Look. And here is our master bedroom with an amazing view of the Alps and the mountains. And here we have our master bathroom here.
I think it's third.
The sink. There's even a sauna.
A sauna.
Even a sauna here. We have a little shower here.
Let's go in the sauna.
And we also have an amazing balcony.
Yeah.
So we have a balcony with more amazing here.
Sunset.
So that's it, guys. Bye.
What is this? Yeah.